Imagine a supple and comfortable bracelet that you wear every day, which vibrates on your wrist several times a day to discreetly tell you that it's time to check if you're sleeping. Once you're in full dream mode, the bracelet will automatically detect that it's time to vibrate again. You will feel your arm vibrate inside your dream, and this will propel you instantly into a lucid dream. Vibrations provide direct access to your subconscious. In addition, everyone has the idea that vibration should attract our attention through the vibrating sound of cell phones. Discreet and comfortable, the InstaDreamer also offers you other functions that you'll discover right away. So, what makes our device a real revolution that will enable you to have a lucid dream probably the very first evening you use it? More than 70% of our testers experienced a lucid dream during one of the first 3 nights using it.
Beer, the sacred liquid element. As we drink a beer, the foam disappears, and with it, the aroma and flavor. Foam is the beer's natural defensive layer that protects it from oxidation and retains volatiles. That's why, for all those beer lovers who value the smell details, we present the revolutionary new experience device, Sonic Beer. Using the latest technology, Sonic Beer generates ultrasonic waves that stimulate the carbonated volatile components inside your beer, breaking some of the intramolecular interactions, extracting foam with aromatic compounds, all in just a few seconds. Sonic Beer is portable. Take it wherever you want. Enjoy it with friends and family. Sonic Beer has an elegant minimalist design with customizable colors. Sonic Beer is spill resistant, works great with all kinds of beers.